Viewers, you are welcome to this video. Today I want us to look at what is meant by the trace of a matrix. The trace of a matrix. Yes. Now the trace of a given matrix is the sum of all the elements in the main diagonal of the matrix. Again, the trace of a given matrix, normally a square matrix, is the sum of all the elements in its principal or main diagonal. Now, for example, when you have a matrix like this, matrix A equal to 1, 2, negative 3, 4, 6, 9, 2, 7, negative 2. When you have a matrix like this, when you ask to find the trace of this matrix, which is denoted this way, trace of A, which is denoted this way, then what it means is that you should first of all be able to identify the main diagonal of this matrix, or the principal diagonal of this matrix. Now, the principal diagonal of this matrix is this. So you identify the elements in the principal diagonal of this matrix. It is the principal or main diagonal of this matrix. Now, when you identify those elements, to find the trace, all that you have to do is to add those elements. So the trace of this matrix will be 1 plus 6 plus negative 2. And this is equal to 1 plus 6 is 7 minus 2, and this will be 5. So the trace of this matrix is 5. Now let's look at another example. Now, let's look at another example. When you have a matrix like this, 1, 2, negative 1, 4, 6, 0, 4, 3, negative 2, negative 2, 7, 4, negative 1, 8, 4, 5, negative 9. When you have a matrix like this, a matrix B like this, and you have to find the trace of it. So the trace of this will be this, or B will be equal to. So you have to identify the elements in the main diagonal. So this is the main diagonal. The elements in the main diagonal. This is a 4 by 4 matrix. So this is 1. These are the elements, and then you just add them. Plus 0, plus 4, plus negative 9. So this one will be 1 plus 4 is 5, minus 9. And then this one will be negative 4. Yes, negative 4. So this will be the trace of this matrix. And normally, you find the trace of square matrices. Yes, the matrix will be a square matrix. So viewers, this is how you can find the trace of a given matrix. It is not difficult at all. Just identify the elements in the main or principal diagonal and add them. Thank you very much for your attention.